Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious espresso using your Siemens EQ.6 Plus coffee making machine. Espresso is a coffee brewing method of the Italian origin in which a small amount of nearly boiled water, about 90 degrees Celsius or 190 degrees Fahrenheit, is forced under 9 up to 10 bars, 900 to 1000 kilopascal, 130 to 150 psi of pressure through finely ground coffee beans. Before we can start, we will need to fill the water tank with fresh, clean water every day. The tank should always contain sufficient water of operating the appliance. Then we will need a delicious and awesome coffee beans. These are beans that awesome delicious beans will make us an awesome and delicious espresso as well, and they do not have to contain some sugar or other ingredients, only the beans. Okay, that's important. Coffee beans. Then it's ready. We are going to preheat our delicious espresso cup itself by using that coffee pillions machine to make fresh hot water, and this will warm up our cup. Then our espresso is really hot if we brew them freshly after this. So it's ready to use now. The espresso is nearly done, as you can see, because now our cup is really hot to get a new espresso. Look, okay, dip away the hot water. Now it's time to select the drink. The drink we are going to serve is an espresso, so we choose on the touch screen the espresso button. This is the left button. The center left button for espresso. Espresso is the most delicious and common way of making coffee in Southern Europe, especially in Italy, Spain, Portugal, Switzerland, Southern France, and Bulgaria. And we are now performing this easily. We can choose, of course, now we can choose very mild, regular, strong, very strong, double shot strong plus, ground coffee. We do not choose ground coffee, but we can choose the other strange adjustings which this coffee machine will serve us. And then, of course, we can choose the cup size. We are touching the ml individually selected the beverage volume. The volume settings are possible as small, medium, or large. That means we can choose how much fill rate our espresso cup will be. We are touching the appearance symbol. Select the desired drink. Then we touch the ml to select the size of it. And then it's ready to make it a delicious espresso as well with a start and stop button. For example, I choose now the small cup size, and you will see it is really small. In a small cup size, this is a micro espresso as well, as you can see, because it is a standard cup of espresso here. So now we are going to change that. We'll change it to big, to large. Yeah, now it's large time. The larger size, which these appliance will serve us, is the right espresso size. I think so. You can choose as your own. You can do that and select it small, medium, or large. I'm going to choose the large one. This is more espresso. Espresso is generally thicker than coffee brewed by other methods, with a viscosity of warm honey, and that's delicious. Oh yeah, here, this is the right size. I thank for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.